Hi everyone, I'm Kristen. I'm one of the decorators for Crittenden Center's Festival of Trees for 2020, and we thought we'd give you a brief tour of the workshop. So as you can see here, we have organized our ornaments by color. We have some of our florals sitting by the colors as well. And if you hear a little extra noise, they're working on the roof here at Santa's workshop. We also organize our ribbon by color. We try to keep it organized at least by color. And I'm going to walk up here to another room full of florals. And there's decorator Rhonda. Rhonda is getting ready to pull some greenery for a design that we're probably going to be working on in a little bit. You can see we have a number of florals there. And if we turn around, we go this direction. This is another room. You can see it's also organized by color, but we've also done some organization for our specialty ornaments. Like this is our sweets shelf, for example. And here's Vicki. Decorator Vicki is getting ready to pull some ornaments for a design that we'll work on in a little bit. We have all sorts of things in the workshop. Santa's legs, for example. And again, we have more floral and fun items. And as Vicki and Rhonda have shown you, we're all wearing masks when we can't socially distance. So that is the workshop. Brief review of the workshop. We'd like to thank Julie Waldschmidt of Waldland Corporation for helping us find our workshop this year. We'll see you soon. Bye.